Good afternoon, I'm Samuel Simp at the Simp Economy Exchange desk. The composite Simp is sliding into midday at 2058.42, down 0.25%, with 5 names in the red outpacing 4 in the green, so the pursuit is technically losing ground this session. OFANS is leading the charge up 2.82%, while Date is reminding everyone that not every connection closes the deal, off 1.57% on the day.
$637 worth of simping is propping up over $500 billion in tracked cap, while more tickers are bleeding than gaining, and somehow the bulls still think they're winning. I'm Queen Diva at the Sponsor Economy desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, your midday read on the women to men sponsorship market. Treat is the lone bright spot, up 1.61%, but Games is dragging the declining side down 1.74, and with 4 names falling against only 3 rising, the composite's 0.87% gain is doing a lot of heavy lifting for a market that is quietly more red than green under the hood.
6 decliners are outpacing 3 advancers in this session, and the bears are winning ugly, with play hemorrhaging 2.5%, while the vanity play looks struts around like it owns the place at under 1% green. I'm Zach Grindset at the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where the composite sits at 831 and change, tracking nearly $1 trillion in male self-investment capital that is, frankly, underperforming its own hype right now. Q3 is shaping up to be a referendum on whether men are actually doing the work, and today's tape says the jury is still very much deliberating.
Men are outspending everyone else combined. Simp alone clears $1.29 trillion in market cap, while the entire sponsor economy sits at $537 billion, meaning women sponsoring men is roughly a rounding error on what men are deploying toward women this Q3. Spawn is today's sole gainer at plus 0.87%, which is either a comeback story or a dead cat bounce depending on how charitable your read is. The Grindset Index holds quietly positive at plus 0.17%, confirming that men investing in themselves remain the steadiest hand in the room, even if nobody is writing songs about it. Full data and live tickers at simpx.exchange.